We are just waiting for Layla to go into heat so we can bring her back over to Leo and try to get our first litter of Bernedoodles on the ground. Since I don't have any puppies to take care of, I decided to give a facelift to my cupboards and do something about these chinky looking, worn out door handles. Here's what I did. Whenever Todd leaves for the weekend, he always tells me not to do anything major projects while he's gone. I'm not sure where removing all the door handles in the cupboards and repainting them falls into that category, but we'll soon find out. I just did that one, but now I'm taking all the rest of them off and soaking them, cleaning them, and then I'll go outside and spray them. So we'll see. I was just thinking, I wonder if Emma will be the last generation that has all of the important mom and dad phone numbers written on a sheet of paper on the back of the cupboard door, or favorite recipes taped to the inside of the cupboard. I soaked all the handles in a sink with warm water and Dawn dishwashing soap, and when they were clean, I found a piece of siding down in the shed, and I measured out, spaced it so that all the handles would fit on the board. And then I drilled a bigger hole on the edges because, of course, this project is going to involve some zip ties. All right, and then I'm just going to attach these handles onto this board all the way down, and then I'm going to be able to spray paint them. Okay, got them on here. Best invention in the world. I'm gonna zip tie this up to the fence. Okay, let's go to the other side. Right, and then I'm just going to start with 2 hinges and see what they turn out like, because it's a lot of work to take these off. So we're just going to test a couple of them, and this is the side that shows, so I'm going to, I guess, put it on there like this. Like that. Gotta go get some more zip ties. Didn't even see it. Okay. And then this is the hinge. I'll figure something else out when I'm doing all of them, but these are the test run, and so that'll work for now. This is the spray paint that I'm using. May as well mask up since we all have so many masks in our lives. And let's spray paint this. There is a huge eagle right there in that tree. It just swooped down and it's right in that dead branch over there. So cool. Oh shucks. Oh damn, I hope I'm not spray painting my phone. Shit. And yes, it does look like I spray painted my phone a little. I thought these were all dry, but a couple of them have some bubbles on them, so I'm going to have to sand those and repaint them. Dang it. I forgot one in the house. It just dawned on me, instead of spray painting these, my brother owns a body shop. I should have brought him to Wyndham. And I just pulled one side of this off and kind of tilted it so I could get back up underneath there from all the handles, and then get the bottoms as well. Okay, I got all the hinges spray painted, and I wore some old reading glasses instead of my good glasses like I did last time. Take the doors off your cupboards and just see how many times a day you reach up to close them. Not easy, but I did it. This process isn't completely flawless, and I can see where after some time the paint might wear off the hinges, but for $4.98 for some spray paint and an outdoor project on a beautiful weekend, it gave a nice facelift to the kitchen, and it was something fun to try. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe so you can see what we're up to next.